Yo, what's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Testament of a Believer, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI mic series adapter for the DJI mic mini. Got the DJI mic mini right here. So if you don't know, the series camera adapter is basically an adapter to connect to your Sony cameras, so you don't have to use the 3.5 millimeter wire. So this basically makes the connection wireless. So just something that helps you create more efficiently and the less items that you have to keep up with in your bag. So without further ado, I'll read the instructions on the case, but it's kind of bare, right? It just says mic series adapter for the DJI mic mini, and that's basically all it says. It has a serial number on the back, and that's all you get. So this is the box. This is what the box looks like. Yeah, and that's pretty much all you get. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get it open. That's it. I already opened one in a total box. Me and my boxes. I do not like the chair boxes, but anyway, we are here. So right here, you got the little, looks like a little styrofoam piece right here. I guess that goes on top for your microphone to sit on so it won't get scratched up. I'm assuming what that is. Also right here, you have your instruction manual in the box and your mic adapter right here. So it's like a quick start guide that shows you how to connect the device and what to do. And I'm not gonna read that because I hate reading instructions, but if we open this up right here, this is what we get, man. This is your mic series adapter, and it's pretty simple. You got your hot shoe right here. Excuse me, your hot shoe mount right here. Your USB-C right here, and basically your device sits on top of it like this, and this part goes into your hot shoe. So what you want to do is get your DJI camera adapter out for your mic mini, and you're going to install this little adapter right here, which is supremely hard to take out of the case for some reason. But you take this piece off the back, and you see your pins and your connectors right there, and you put this device on where it has the arrows right there. Click that in, USB-C for your microphone transmitter or receiver, excuse me. And then you just plug the USB-C in the top of this, and then you're good to go. That's it. It clicks on. And the thing about it is, it's a little, if I stick a piece of paper in here, right? It's not flush, so it's kind of sticking up some. So you can definitely stick a little piece of paper in there at some point, but that styrofoam or rubber piece is protecting it so it doesn't get scratched up at the top. And this piece right here, you remove this piece, and this piece goes onto the hot shoe of your camera, which I'm gonna demonstrate with my Sony a7 IV right here. Take that piece off, and then this piece slides into the adapter port like that. And there you go, you have your wireless mic set up, right? Let me open this right here, turn the camera on. Let me see if everything is reading. Get the microphone out the case. Let's go to video mode. All right, so I'm waiting for the microphone to connect to this, and this one is on Bluetooth, so I gotta press the button twice. So now it's connected, noise cancellation is on, and I have sound. So you see the sound is going right here. If you look in the bottom corner of it, you see the sound going, the sound bars, and there's no connection right here. So I'll do a microphone test with this to see how it sounds. I gotta play with the volume to make sure the volume is in the safe configuration. You know, we don't want any clipping or don't want the volume to be too low. If the volume is too low, then I don't know why I'm holding this microphone talking into it like I'm actually recording audio for this video. But anyway, but we don't want the volumes to be too low, because if we adjust the volume in post, then you're gonna have that static and things like that. So you kind of try to balance the audio out in the camera while you're recording, so you don't have that issues. But anyway, I am not recording the audio for this video on the DJI mic mini. I'm actually using the Hollyland Mark M2S, which is located behind my shirt. If I let you get a little sneak peek right there, you see it right there. But the Hollyland Mark M2S is right here behind my shirt, and it's already a great microphone, which the DJI Mic Mini is too. So yeah, I'll do a comparison about these later on. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what you get when you get the DJI Mic Mini. Right now, they got these on sale for like 40 bucks at B&H. They got them on Amazon, and also the DJI website too. 2-day shipping. Order it, you get it in 2 days, and you got your wireless setup, man. But yeah, you got any questions or anything like that you want to see in another video from me, put them in the comments down below. You like this video, hit that thumbs up button. You want to see more videos like that or like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.